Assalamualaikum students, it's page number 65, Maths book 3A, question number 4. The A part of question number 4 is draw three different acute angle, estimate their size and degree. Means we have to make three acute angle, and you know acute angle are less than 90 degree. You know it's 90 degree, means less than 90, it's an acute angle because it is less than 90. Now second one is, it's also an acute angle because it is also less than 90. Number 2. Now number 3. It's also an acute angle. Now we will write down the estimated size of this angle. This angle can be 65 degree. It's estimated size, not accurate size. Size is estimated size, and it may be 55 degree, and it's 40 degree. Now the B part of this question, to make three different obtuse angle, and obtuse angle you know are greater than 90, means if it is 90 degree, you know it's 90 degree, and it is big for obtuse angle. It's number 1 is obtuse angle. Now it is second obtuse angle, it's also greater than 90. These are estimated, means आप लोग अंदाजे से बनाएंगे ये, ठीक है. Now we will write down the size, estimate size. It may be possible 110, it's 130, and it's 140. It has been done. Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum students, it's Maths book 3A, page number 67, exercise number 2, and this exercise we will use a protractor to measure this angle. It is a protractor, and how to use the protractor, how to measure the angles with the help of protractor. We can see that it is the line of protractor. It is the line of protractor, this line, and it is the line of angle. Firstly we will write here 0. Now we will keep this protractor on this angle. This line must be on this line. Okay, this line must be on this line, and the vertex of the angle, it is a point where two lines meet and make an angle. We will keep the center of the protractor on exactly the center of angle. This line of protractor must be on this line, and the center of protractor must be on the center of angle, like this, and it is 0. There are two numbers, number scale of on the protractor, lower part and the upper numbers, and there is 0. We have mentioned the 0 here, so we will start counting from 0. That is the lower numbers, lower scale. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Means the second arm of this angle is on 80 degree. Means this angle is 80 degree. Now it's a B angle. Now we will keep this line on this line. This line must be on this line, and the center of protractor must be on the center of angle, like this, and we will write here 0. Now we will check it. Now we will read the scale. It's 0. and the upper numbers are starting with the 0. Now we will start counting 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150. And this line is on 150, means this angle is of 150. Now complete this exercise with the help of protractor. Allah Hafiz.